In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. Sales receipts are what you use when your customer pays you on the spot at the time of sale. This is different from an invoice, which is used when you bill a customer to pay later. Knowing the difference helps keep your books accurate and makes it easier to track your cash flow. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top, you'll see a button labeled New with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create most transactions in QuickBooks, and it's the starting point for creating a sales receipt. From the menu that appears, choose Sales Receipt. This tells QuickBooks you're recording a sale that has already been paid for rather than creating an invoice. Now you'll see a sales receipt form. At the top, there's a field for the customer. Click the drop-down and choose the customer who made the purchase. If this is a new customer who isn't in your system yet, select Add New and quickly enter their basic details. Adding customers as you go makes reporting and future tracking much easier. Next, fill in the key sales information. Start with the payment method. Use the drop-down to select how the customer paid, such as cash, credit card, or bank transfer. This is important because it affects how the transaction is recorded and reconciled later. Right below that, you'll see Deposit To. This tells QuickBooks where the money is going. If you collect several payments and take them to the bank together, choose Undeposited Funds. That lets you group them into one deposit later. If the payment went directly into a specific bank account, select that bank account here instead. Now move to the Product or Service column. Click in that field and pick the item or service you sold. When you select it, QuickBooks will automatically pull in the default description, rate, and sometimes tax settings. You can adjust the description, quantity, or rate right on this screen if anything is different for this particular sale. If your business uses classes or locations to track different parts of your operations, you can add those details as well. This is especially useful for reporting by department, project, or physical location. Once everything looks correct, decide how you want to save it. If you want to email the receipt to your customer, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will show you a preview of the email. Take a moment to review or edit the subject line and message, then send it when you're ready. If you just want to record the transaction without emailing anything, click Save instead. That's it. You've created a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online.